Hello, good evening, volunteers, farmer. Okay, yeah, yesterday request right for me to teach you all how to roll back these long snakes. Okay, number one, of course, turn off the main water point. Number two, you will need to turn off, sorry, or remove this thing. Okay, so just hold behind and pull out will do. Or to plug in, just plug in. To release, hold behind, out, done. Okay, so if this thing falls off, no issue. Okay, because you are pull too hard. All right, so this is how you insert the thing. This is the hose, this is the head. Okay, so just squeeze the hole inside the connector. All right, then you tighten it back, then you are good to go. Okay, number one done. Okay, next thing, take out the sprayer head. Okay, and put it on the ground. Don't throw. You throw it on broke again. Okay, next thing, remove this thing also. Make sure water is off. Remove. Okay, and don't twist lah. Okay, the trick is to step over here, or depending on which hand you are in lah. But for this case, okay, it's already like this already. Normally I like to turn in right hand. Okay, so now left hand, no choice lah. Okay, so your leg just step behind here to secure. Then your hand will be over here and you turn. So turn, follow the flow, right and left. You can help to pull back. Until left finish already, then right again. Okay, over here you can see. Hopefully you can see. Okay, center. To the right side. Then slowly center and left side. Make sure don't twist. So you can see as you turn back, the water will flow out. See now below. So they will release half of your timing to clear the water. Okay. So follow the flow. Okay, so sideways. So use your body to secure this thing. Right, it won't anyhow move. Okay, a bit difficult. Like this. Left side, right side. Once you're ready, okay, and the third thing you want to do is to release the water from the hose inside. Okay, so how to do it? Very simple. Just stand one side. You don't want to stand behind lah. Okay, because you will splash your own leg. Okay, just secure the whole thing like this. Turn and turn slowly. If you're faster, can, but don't be too fast. Too fast, the water won't go out because of centrifugal force. It will still stuck over there. Okay, this speed will do. Or slightly faster, no issue. Okay, so make sure that this connector don't hit on the floor and bounce back. No, okay, you will spoil the whole thing. So just turn and turn and turn and turn and turn until no water. So you can see yesterday we removed the twist. Then in the hot sunlight, now the twist is not that visible already. It seems to be recovered well because they're rubber and some netting inside lah. Just twist and turn and twist and turn. Gently one. Until you feel that there is no water. A bit is okay because the expansion contraction from the sun is not as heavy as full loaded of water inside. Okay, so you can see no more water. A bit doesn't matter. Okay, you can even lift out the whole car in your one hand. It's very light. compared to full water inside, it will be more than 10 kg. I can tell you. Okay, so that's all for my demo, and thank you very much, farmers. Bye bye.